Hey guys, what's up? It's me Nyasha here and welcome back to Quiz World. So guys, I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to post videos for couple of weeks on both the channels. So today I'm here with this video might be a really long video because today we are going to be talking about a really fun topic. So today first we talked about Mercury. We talked about exactly Mercury, what kind of gases are there in Mercury. So today we're going to talk about all the 9 planets, and we're going to talk about their lots of things. We are going to talk about all the 9 planets. We're going to figure out some questions, and we're going to answer some true and false. And this video might be a little this video might be a bit of long video, so stay tuned till the end because today we are going to be doing the quiz that we will be doing today. We will be doing a really fun quiz on all the things that we learned. So if you haven't watched the video in which I've told you about Mercury and then the sun and the solar system, the distance and diameter of all the planets. So please check out those videos before you do the quiz. So let's start with our first planet, which is Venus. So we've done the video for Mercury. So now we are going to talk about Venus. So if you haven't seen the Mercury video, make sure to check it. So let's answer the first question, which is when is a star not a star? So when is a star not a star? So this is our today's question for Venus, the first question. So when it's a planet, Venus is sometimes called the evening star because it's so bright. It's one of the first points of the light we see shining as it gets dark. Planets do not make their own light. They reflect the sun's light. So make sure that you know this, that the planets don't make their own light. So planets don't make their own light, so they reflect the light which comes from the sun. So you all know that the planet Venus is called the evening star. So is called the evening star because it's like the so if you don't know like which is Venus amongst all the stars in when you watch the sky when it's night, so you will see lots of stars. And now from all these stars, how will you figure out that which one is Venus? So there are so many stars when you look up. So these stars, so actually they are these kind of dots. They are not actually like that, but how will you figure out that which is a star and which is the planet Venus? So you will see this big star like in the sky, which will be the biggest light, the biggest dot you see, that one will be Venus. So it's easy to figure out Venus when it's dark. So the second question is, how can a day be longer than a year? So a day is the amount of time a planet takes to spin on its axis. So we all know that, we all know that this is Earth. So I'll just make the Earth. So this is the land. The green parts are the land, and the blue parts is the sea, the water bodies, all the water bodies on Earth. So now what happens that Earth is of course spinning on its axis. So this is a axis that I've drawn. Maybe I should use a different color. So this is the axis, and over here this is the sun. Okay, so it takes around 365 days or 366 days when it's leap year for the for the Earth to revolve around the sun once. So once the Earth revolves around the sun once, it's 1 year. So right now it's December, so on 1st January the Earth will complete one round, and we will say that it's New Year. Okay, so now it's time for a amazing fact. So this fact is that Venus is named after a goddess. So we all know that all the planets are named after some god or goddess. So Venus is named after a goddess. Venus was the name of the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Just right for the planet, which many people think is the most beautiful object in the sky. So if you will see, you must have read somewhere that all the planets are named after some kind of god or goddess of Roman or Greek goddess or god, somebody. So now it's time to answer the true and false. So for Venus, we have the question, Venus is bigger than the Earth? Well, the answer to it will be no, straight up no. So Venus is a fraction smaller than the Earth, not much. So Venus is just a fraction smaller than Earth, not that much. So Venus is about 12,104 kilometers. Okay, so across. So Venus is 12,104 kilometer across, and whereas Earth is about 650 kilometers wider. Okay, so Venus's mass is about the 4/5 of Earth. So about the 4/5 of Earth. Okay, so we have completed the Venus. So we have completed all the things about Venus that we wanted to know, that you all might want to know. So now we will jump on our planet, which is Mother Earth. So we are going to jump on our planet, Mother Earth. So what's special about our planet? So as far as we know, Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life, as well as warmth from the sun, and other main ingredient for life is liquid water. Earth has plenty of water. In total, it covers about 3/4 of the planet's surface. So what are the main elements that makes the Earth? So the main ingredient for life is of course liquid water. And then we need grass, then we need of course land, the correct atmosphere. So we need atmosphere. There'll be an E. So we need the correct atmosphere to live, and we need oxygen. So these are the really important elements. We need carbon dioxide, and we also need other important gases from which we are alive, and we also need trees which produce oxygen. So we need trees, which is extremely important to survive. So if there are trees, there are greenery. So trees, of course, provide us with oxygen. So it's extremely important to have trees around, and plants, trees, and so they provide oxygen. So don't cut trees. Okay. So what does the earth look like from space? So it looks beautiful. Blue with swirly white clouds. Astronauts in space spend most of their free time gazing at it. They can even make out cities when they are lit up at night with twinkling lights. So you all know, like, when we see the earth from space, it's spectacular. Like, some of the, just I said that most of the astronauts spend their free time gazing at it, because they also have to do lots of things in space. So they spend most of the time gazing at it because it's just beautiful. Like the view from space of earth, when you see the earth from space, your jaws will drop, because that's the most beautiful sight you can see. Woohoo! Okay, so amazing fact for the earth is magnet. At the center of the earth is a core of molten metal called iron, which makes our planet like a giant magnet. Okay. So this is what pulls the needle on a compass towards the magnetic North Pole. So one more question. Why does our skies go dark at night? Like all planets, the earth is spinning as it orbits the sun. When your part of the planet is facing away from the sun, its light is blocked out. At the same time, it is daytime for other people on the opposite side of the earth. So I'll just explain it pretty quickly. So let's suppose this is the sun, the yellow, this is the sun, and let's suppose that over here, this is the earth. So this is the earth. So let's divide the earth into two parts, right from the middle, into two parts. Okay. So when the earth is spinning on its axis, so this is this axis, and this is the circle orbit of the earth. So it's spinning like this, and it's also revolving around the sun. So when the earth, so just imagine that this is the half part of the earth and this is the half part of the earth. So this side of the earth is facing away from the sun. So that's why the light is blocked. So there's no light. So that's why it's night time over there. And the other part, which is facing towards the sun, has light because it's facing towards the sun, which allows the sun to give light to that part of the earth. So this part of the earth, which is facing towards the sun, experiences daytime, and the other part of the sun, the other part of the earth, which does not get any light, experiences nighttime. So that's pretty simple. So now there's the true and false for the earth. So the question is, there was life on earth from the start? Simple answer is no. So when earth was formed, it was extremely hot and there was no oxygen. Over millions of earth, the planet cooled, oceans formed, and oxygen was made. the first life on Earth appeared about 3 billion years ago. 3 billion years ago. Okay, so now let's move on to our satellite, which is the moon. So we're going to talk about the moon now. So let me make it a little graphical for you guys. So the moon. Okay, so we're going to talk about our moon. So why does the moon change its shapes? It doesn't really. So it's a ball shape just like the Earth. But as the moon travels around the Earth, you can see different amounts of its sunlight half. It seems to change gradually from a crescent to a disk, and then back again. So the crescent moon is something of this sort. I don't know if I'm drawing it right. And the disk moon is the full moon, like what we call it. Okay, so why does the moon have so many craters? Because it has been plated by so many space rocks and has no atmosphere to protect it. One of the biggest craters on moon is called Bailey. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's called Bailey. Okay, so Bailey is nearly 300 kilometers across. Okay, so you can make out some of the craters by using good pair of binoculars. Okay, so what is the dark side of the moon? So it is the part of the moon that we can never see from Earth. The moon takes the same time to orbit the Earth as it does to spin once. So it does to spin once. Okay, this means the same side of the moon always faces away from the Earth. Now, amazing fact. You can jump higher on the moon. The moon's gravity is much weaker than Earth's. This means you would only weigh about a sixth of your Earth weight there. So, and you would be able to jump 6 times higher on the moon. Okay. So, is it true there are seas on the moon? So, well, I have to say for this question, yes and no at the same time. I'm not pretty sure, but yes and no at the same time. So, there are dark rocky plains and craters called maria. So maria is a Latin word for seas. So, let me just... So, Maria. Oh. I'm kind of bad at this. So, Maria. So, it's a Latin word for sea. Seas. Okay. So, please note down everything. So, but they don't contain water. The first astronauts to visit moon landed on the Sea of Tranquility. Okay, so we've completed everything about the moon. So I think so we are taking a lot of time. So I think so I have to end this video here. I'm really sorry. It's about 20 minutes since I'm recording the video. So I have to end this video here. So in the next video we are going to start from Mars, and we will do, so we are done with Earth. We'll do Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. So we'll do 3 planets in the next video, and then complete the rest of the planets in the next video. So please do subscribe. Please subscribe, guys, and please like the video, because I think so that this video will give you lots of knowledge about about Venus, our moon, and our Earth. So please subscribe, like, and share this video with your beloved friends and family. And please also do comment. So once you are done with all these things, please write in the comments done. So yeah, and I'm guys available on Instagram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram, so you can follow me on Instagram, and my account is something like this. So but if still you can't find my account, I'll link it in the description. So yes guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe if you're new. And I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to post really frequently because I was a little busy. So I'm really sorry that I couldn't post, but I am planning to post something on Nyasha's Fabulous World which would be related to Christmas, because Christmas is coming. It's just right around the corner, and I am preparing a song for Christmas. It will take a little time for me to prepare that entire song. So if you're watching this video, and so I will post on Nyasha's Fabulous World on Christmas. So I'll post that song on Christmas only. I am working on that song. So I'll post the video on Christmas on Nyasha's Fabulous World. But still, thank you so much for watching this video on Quiz World. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And let's take a target. Guys, you are not fulfilling the targets. Please guys, fulfill all these targets. Let's aim for, we are right now 23 subscribers I guess. So let's aim for 30 subscribers till Christmas. So if you like Christmas, please you have to share this video, and if you haven't subscribed, then please do. It would really mean a lot to me. So 30 subscribers till Christmas, and let's aim for at least 10 likes on this video. Please guys, subscribe, like, and share. So at least 10 likes on this video. And you have to share this video to at least 2 groups on WhatsApp. I don't know if I wrote the spelling right, but 2 groups on WhatsApp. Please send it to 2 groups. Share this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe. I'm going to meet you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, stay safe and stay healthy.